Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn Bootstrap 5 components. Have you ever created a button card, navbar or alert using HTML and CSS? If yes, then you probably know that we have to write HTML and CSS again and again. But what if I tell you that Bootstrap already gives us these ready-made components? Today, we are going to understand what Bootstrap components are and how to use them. And I will explain only one component in detail. After that, I will show you some other Bootstrap components that you can try yourself. First, let's understand what a Bootstrap component actually means. Bootstrap component is a ready-made UI element provided by Bootstrap. For example, accordion, alert, badge, button group, card. Instead of creating everything from scratch using HTML and CSS, Bootstrap gives us predefined classes. We just use those classes in our HTML. Now let's understand this with one simple example. Here, Bootstrap button, copy this button code, paste here, save and see output. This is our primary button. Now the most important part, button creating a button using the HTML button element. Now we have our first Bootstrap class, btn. Class gives our normal HTML button the basic Bootstrap button styling. Btn primary, this decide the button's primary style. So basically, btn gives the button Bootstrap styling. Btn primary gives is the primary color style. Now here I am adding text. Click me. This is simply the text that appear inside our button. So remember this simple pattern. Bootstrap components are mostly used by adding predefined Bootstrap classes to our HTML element. We don't need to write all the CSS ourselves. Bootstrap has already written that CSS for us. We just need to know which component do I need and which Bootstrap classes should I use. Because once you understand one component, you can start exploring the other yourself. Now, here are some other Bootstrap components you should try yourself. Accordion, alert, badge, card. Main idea is very simple. Bootstrap gives us ready-made component. We don't have to build every component from zero. We use Bootstrap predefined classes and structure. For example, btn, button styling, card styling, and alert styling, and many more. So don't just memorize these classes. Open the Bootstrap documentation, choose a component, copy the example, understand its classes, and then try modifying it yourself. That's how you will actually learn Bootstrap. So today we understand what Bootstrap component are and how to use them. I explained the button component in detail. Now your task is simple. Try creating an alert, badge, card, nav, and carousel by yourself. Don't just copy the code, change the text, change the classes, and see what happens. That's how you learn Bootstrap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And comment below which Bootstrap component you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.